chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Oh, no, but I can't faster than my business. Don't come faster than my business. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasons with Gina. Big up to all lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. What I wanna do how things bless up to each and every one. Yes, my dear children, but say, I don't know why me got to my bed last night. I don't know why me got. I don't know if my name late. I don't know if my name late. A nightmare I ride me. I was about me got my bed last night and dream same day what I bet Midler. I bet Midler. I don't remember what the name if I bet you or bet you, my love. But me dream somebody I wanna concert them and she a sing going to the chapel and they're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. Yes, my love. So curly lady. Curly. I fool we up ya hour. Hey Curly. I take we turn Jack and sort ya Curly hour. Curly, what a long time I eat wedding pudding, you know what Curly is a long time I do eat wedding pudding. And I really long figure out wedding. But Curly, the man proposed to you, Curly. He proposed for truly to God, Curly. Then I went propose, Curly, under the tree. I went tree name. Where she name the tree where she carry wall with name, say she put on one name. Aunt Viola, Aunt Vida, Vi. And the mother Viola tree him come propose to you, Curly. Hey, wedding in the year, wedding is in the year, my loves. He proposed to me. He proposed with a diamond ring. I started crying. I placed it on my finger and I said yes. He proposed to me. My baby proposed with a diamond ring. I started crying. I placed it on my finger and I said yes. I took early. Hey, but I don't belongs why me I sing this whole heap of wedding song and singing business, you know. I wonder if I should better watch Girly live last night. Girly put it over there, you know. Boy, I come late night because you're not getting my content. Girly, I was over there. Girly, I was there into the early days of the morning. The before they have your morning till you're yana and got your bed and your husband over there. No, your boyfriend over there snore like the loaded trailer them. I go up Mount Trust, I hill, bop. Yes, Curly, I was there. You can't hide from me. I was there. Cause my love, but all woman do. You see, in the night before I got my bed, me fresh up my house before I got my bed. House clean and everything about, you know, but I forgot you, I fresh up. I don't know, everybody I use bathroom. And yeah, they might wash off it, tell them something, but you know, them not gonna get no proper. So I do all of that before my garment, spread out bathroom, wash out, wipe out, you know, ensure the kitchen well clean and smell up. So them the hours at night when Curly they alive. Curly, I was when Curly they alive. Curly, I was working, I listening to you, my love. Yeah, me had to look up fresh up, clean up. Cause my love when I wake up into the morning, cause I wake up 4:30 every morning. When I get up another 4:30 morning, my love feel that freshness there. My love like it still smell. No, yeah. So curly them the hours them my love. When you sneak out the life. But it did I was there from the beginning to the end. But curly, you would be a very little wicked old man, though. You would be a very, very little wicked old man, curly. If you go married, curly, and go to but a man make we see nothing. Curly, you know, so the whole of we are yarn face, the whole of we are then tear out ya. Once the wedding, so curly, you can't go to courthouse, but I'm go married, ma'am. Over my dead body, curly, I will not allow you to go into the courthouse, but I'm go married. I mean, not see anything. Curly, we wants to see the frock. Girl, we want to see the shoes, we want to see the hairstyle, we want to see the makeup, we want to see if you got married into the dark glasses. You understand me? Girl, we want to see the ring. And most of all, we want to meet with in-law out here. Whether we are friend, enemy, or foe. Yes, we are enemy in-law, so we want to meet with enemy in-law. A full time you can the bridegroom come show we curly. We can't know the bride and don't know the bridegroom. We want to see the choices suit. You understand me? We want to see the gentleman. We want to see everything, curly. We want to see when him taking teeth and take off the garter from up under your behind you, so come down to your ankle. Yes, curly. We want to see when you fling the flowers, who go and catch it. And curly, may I go ask you nicely, curly. I would love to be your bridesmaid. Curly, me want to hold your wedding frack tail. Curly, me want to hold your wedding frack tail and walk back at your mama. Me want come dry the makeup on your face, curly. When you are sweat and when you are cry, me have the little something I touch. You know, a spot. Me no want you do it or nobody else do it. Them a go rub it curly and rub off it. The makeup too hard and scrub off the little concealer up. They make Erica catch you and zoom you up and can go show. Say, look on curly skin. So curly, you see, if you make me the bridesmaid, curly, all me I go do, I just take this something and take time, patty and back the concealer and now I go drag it off, curly, and now I go drag it off. Cause when no Erica see everything out here, you know, curly, when no Erica see everything, not no miss her. Yeah, and you know, me we have the little poly grip, yeah, cause they say, I do what work, curly, you're having false teeth, I wear real teeth them. Just in case me I go walk with like a poly grip. You and a poly grip in here, me love where the people they use and hold on the dentures them in them. A poly grip or a poly dent. I wear name some poly something. I will walk with the poly something, curly, just in case, curly, me that say you having no false teeth. Curly, me not say you have enough false teeth. Man not say you have no false teeth whatsoever. But me just a walk with it because prevention is better than cure. Like if me see a little shift nowhere, you understand me can hurry up and catch it before Erica see it. Yes, my love, curly. You know me mean you well. Don't curly. Me mean you well. I mean you well. Yes, Curly, you can take me into consideration. Take me into consideration, Curly. I will be very gentle, Curly. If you ball, I ball with you. If you laugh, I shall laugh with you. I will be there with you right through and through and through, Curly. And I want to be there to see when the man lift up the veil, Curly. And he might try if he's staring in your eyes. You understand me? Cause stream no know if you look east, west, north, or south. You understand me, Curly? He would try, you know? If you keep focus when can stare deep into your eyes, you will stare back deep down into his eyes. Oh God, me just think about curly wedding so. So curly, you see what make you can't go courthouse batam go married though, ma'am. You see what make you can't go down under no courthouse batam. You would be very out of them and that would be height of slackness out here. That would be a total disgrace to with the whole of out here, curly. You can't be no big deal out here and then when we look, we see you come on live a flash ring. And when we hear from the shout and that courthouse bottom, you're going to go married. How you expect we are going to feel, curly? How you expect we are going to feel out here? You can't left without of them special moment, them man. Hey, beloveds, I want to, me don't know if you don't pay attention to Curly, you know, but Curly may pay attention to you, Lucky may pay attention to you. You know, see when Curly they run her boyfriend. Curly, much time I got to the tap, come out, you can tap about boyfriend, kind of sound good. Curly, if you're a big woman like you, it don't sound good in your tap about my boyfriend. Curly, you can't say my man. You afraid for say my man? Curly say my man, my babes, my honey, my sugar, all them say enough to call man sugar, call them something they too cheap. Them say man them work too hard if you know I call a man them like a cheap something like sugar, honey, lollipop and them something there. Or I must call the man big name. So me find so expensive name to give if you call your man curly. When you come say my mortgage. Oh God, no, make it Curly, I apologize. Not the mortgage part. I apologize, Curly. Come understand your situation. Not the mortgage part. My car, not the car note part. My bag of cement, not, why me keep, no, not them part there. Let me find one rich name for your man, Curly. Me can't find no name for you call him, like how you love food. Alright, my jug of oil, my red lobster, my sushi, My caviar. Who don't get Curly so name to call her boyfriend, man? Me not like when he come out of that, my boyfriend, my boyfriend. Curly say my man. Me, you, Curly, you're not young, you know, me know you want to feel like say you're young. I know you're 16, 17, 18, 19, I go along up. Curly, you pass them the stage, the decades, span top of decades. I go tap my boyfriend, man. Say my man, say something, man, say something, but not my boyfriend. I don't like hear it. I don't like it. It annoys me, Curly. It annoys me. Yeah, but she out here, I whisper in her, I whisper in her mouth. I whisper, 'cause she know how wake up the boyfriend. Yes, here I know. My boyfriend over there asleep. Yeah, my job boy. Here there. I don't want to wake up my boyfriend. Yes, so me have to whisper. And me just come to check up on no, fi tap up my watch hours pa me YouTube, cause me now come out here can't give them no contents. Cause me make a promise to my auntie them, my sister, my uncle, my family, my baby father, and my boyfriend. So me now come out here can't give them no contents. Yes. Me then dead for hungry and now give them no contents. Or no see how they sing thing I go down. Or no see, come me now come out here can't give them no contents. Yes. And when me get up now, me I go lie down side of my boyfriend. And if I go just throw him foot them over me cause bad to bad. As soon as me go lie down side them, he just turn around and throw him foot them over me. Yes, girl, me did I take you out a winding last night. I listen everything. So when you come late night and say you hide, you can't hide from me, Curly. You cannot hide from me. But Curly, listen, Curly might as well you face the reality, you know, mama. Just face the reality, cause whether or not you come out, you can't talk, Curly. If you come out here, we see you, we are going to chat. And if we not see you, we are going to chat how we not see you. So Curly, we are going to always chat you. All when you're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, Curly, we are going to chat you. Boy, bad too bad if Curly did die. And my loves, hey, my loves, even though you know, she has said she not come out here, come give you no contents, and she not chat her business, and she not this, and she not that. She still a come out here, come back, oh, yeah, she get apartment right across from her man. Right across from her man door. I just want a couple doors away. Yeah. Hey, Ray Curly girl, yeah, your man turn me about Ray. Listen, I can't chat to Curly out here. I can't chat to Curly out here. That curly no after you drive no hours, miles, pan tap and miles. We go pick up and drop off no man like a getaway driver. So all when I chat I laugh off a curly, I just doors away walking distance. And curly happy. Curly is happy. And I one thing with Curly, you know, my love, when Curly they around her man, you know, see a different side of Curly. Curly just happy. She not really sound so miserable when she they around her man. She love her man company. Me happy you get a near place, nearer to your man, Curly. Nearer to your man. Me happy for you, Curly. People like I said, that man remind you of your youth. Yes, I'm happy for you because them the whole heap of driving the Curly because it not easy. Me not think it that easy, Curly. For you have to go pick up the man, carry him go your place. I don't know do like a rabbit. And then when you know done do now you have to pick him up back and you have to carry him back, go pick him up where you left him. And then you have to drive. No man, that are too much work. That are too much work for your little all man out here. So Curly, I am happy for you. Me glad you get somewhere close by, Curly, where you can just walk him to him door. Him can walk you to your door, open the door for you and let you in and sit with that you're gone in safe and sound and him can just walk go back to film. You know film little door. Yes, I'm happy for you, Curly. I am happy for you. Yes, I'm happy for Curly. I'm happy for your mama. You step up in her life. So, you can chat to Curly out here again. Oh. All you chat, you know, Curly, we know you can't keep a fire for long, you know. You can't keep a fire for long. Because if you're the fire, you watch Curly, you're peeping. You know, you peep same way in every little crevice and corner. But no me loves with the charity sin thing. You know, say me never know, Curly, you take your charity serious. Right, a serious charity I go start up, Curly. Oh, then me not ask you that, Curly. Me not ask you that. Me not bother. Me not fasting on nobody business. Then Curly, how you do charity and you? Me not ask her. Me not say that. Me not ask. Curly, how? Me not ask her. So Curly, how you do charity, Curly? I mean, here you come out here and beg for yourself. Then Curly, if you out here beg for yourself sometimes, so Curly. Curly, you know if you do no charity, cause that mean you and now say it. Zip it. Curly, I apologize. I apologize, Curly. I apologize. So you decide to take you up serious now, Curly, because me and you talk about people we over Africa over so too. So yeah, it's a global thing you deal with, Curly, local and abroad. Oh, I see. Me really hear you talk last night, and you say you collect $175 so far. And I look into it and I say, but you look like I say, Curly, I take your charity serious, man. Curly, I go start up our own charity. $175. Wait there, Curly, just a kick it. Curly, from here, you come out here, beg the other days, fridge and help, woman, and pick me. 170 members only, wicked. Members only, is very wicked to this woman. Members only, wicked to this woman, man. No wonder she now come out here, come entertain, Can no very, $175. Oh, God, man, Curly, then don't trust you. Curly, then don't trust you, and then tell them, I got tell you for them, Curly, then don't trust you. $175 and the big deal. Oh no, wicked man, oh no, wicked. Imagine the big deal come out here and she do charity no. 175, not even $200. No members only, man. No, God, man. Curly, you have the worst set of people them out here follow your mom. The worst set of people them. I wonder if they feel like you got thief the money, Curly. Cause if I can mix up and suskong you know so Curly, them a come to you in a bungle. Them a come to you in a numbers. Enough time me come out, me hear you come out your ball. Say, good God, man, you no tap call me phone. Me no want hear nothing. And everything they say, then can come pack you up. I no can donate something. I no can donate to Curly, make Curly buy the bed and the fridge for the woman, and the woman want start business and something. See, they know Curly reach a point where Curly has sound of a send super chat, send stars. I want to buy the sheet then from her so she can donate the money and help the woman for buy the bed and the fridge and help her to start a business. She say $5,000. Then members only. I saw no paparazzi and turn that the whole no can jump up if I 10, 20, 30, 40, 1 cocoa full basket and give the woman for buy the fridge and the bed office she start the bag juice business them. Me not think uno so paparazing members only. I don't think uno so paparazing. Me think say uno really and truly don't like uno master over there. Uno don't like her or uno don't trust her. I saw me see it. I saw me think. Curly mom it might sound harsh but true. But the members only there, them don't like your mom. Them don't like you. Them don't trust you with their money. But Curly, you see, like how you go start up back charity, cause you say you used to do charity for a way back. Me don't know, cause me not see no evidence of that. Me see you come out there, you show all kind of thing. Me not see you show that. But anyway, if you see so, you see so. But Curly, you see, like how you see so now. Like how you see, yeah, like how you go say you start up charity now, Curly. Make sure say you go report it to the member of parliament out here, the social media member of parliament. The Minister of Corruption and Charity Scamming, Lor Campbell. Lor. I hope you're here, Lor. I hope you're here, Lor. For me, no two here, you come out here, come mention nothing about the charity, you know, Lor. I see Curly a start up over here, so I hope you put in the same effort in a Curly, you know, Lor. I hope so. If you claim say you fight corruption, you have fight corruption all across the board. Curly ma'am, we got we hyper you out here. We got we hyper you out here for who no have the most fi say when anybody else a do any charity out here, you know. Who no have the most fi say. So I hope your charity perfect. I hope we no hear no little hanky panky nothing. Yes, I got me hyper you Curly. But just remember say, despite all of that, me still want to be your brides. Your bridesmaid. Your bridesmaid, yes. Your bridesmaid. Anyways, love, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Big up, bless upon yourself. Have a wonderful, safe, and productive day. Peace out. Much love. Later. Bye-bye.